it's Glamorous TT here, and today I'm trying to attempt to do a vlog. My AirPod looking kind of funny. Today is my grandmother's birthday party slash housewarming, so I'm gonna go visit her and probably I might do her makeup. She told me she wanted her makeup done, but I don't know. I'll see when I get there because this lady likes to change her mind all the time. So be right back. So I arrived at my grandmother's house and it's so beautiful, you guys. Look at the kitchen. This is the back door, right? Or this is the front door? Yes. Okay, so this is the back door. This is how the back. She has a nice view. And this is the entry. And look at her fan, you guys. She has a cool, super cool fan. Like, what the heck? That's my first time ever seen that. It looks so luxurious. And she cook up a lot of food, you guys. A lot. What's this? Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, welcome. Today's my birthday.
And this is my grandpa. She has a beautiful light here that my grandpa is going to open. So this would be like the dining room area. And most of the paintings that you see like right there and right there, my uncle, he painted those. So I'm guessing this is the laundry. So right now they're going to bless the house. Say hola. Hi. You're gonna be on my YouTube.
Holy Spirit, peace be to this house.
Lord who enter here.
Our help is in the name of the Lord. We can do nothing without Him. So we
under her wings, and she allows her to come to the shop on the weekends to just help her out. And she has a very big heart. She's a very nice lady. When we call with different situations, she's always very understanding. And my daughter is learning a lot working with Miss Paris. Thank you. Thank you.
So away from all that noise, this is the master. And then this is my favorite room of the house. This is the master. Oh, the master bathroom. And it's so nice, like, look at this tub. Nice. It has a shower. It's quite small, but hey, this is island living. She also has the next bathroom. And then she has 2 more bedrooms. So this is one. And this is the other. This is the hallway leading back to the living room. And this is everybody. Guys, I'm currently in the car right now. It's extremely hot, and if there's one thing that I don't like is being hot and being bit by mosquitoes. I'm not gonna tolerate that. So I'm in the car cooling down because My makeup was literally melting off my face, literally, and I'm starting to get like tired because it's so hot in there. It's so hot, like not even inside the house, but like outside is hot, inside is hotter. So it's like, you know, look at that sunlight, look at that sun on me. It's very hot. Went to the car, put his food up, everything. Like, he really not playing. He is really not playing. Like, I know he gonna walk back and be like, am I recording him? But dude, you just got your food and you dip, and then you going back. I bet you going for a next plate. Bet.